In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a link in Excel. And there are essentially 4 types of links you can create. The first one is a link to a specific position within the same Excel file. The second type is a link to a different file. This could be a different Excel file, picture, a Word document, or any type of file really. Then there's the link to an email address. And finally, there's a link to a website. The first link I'm going to create is a link to a specific position on a different sheet. So I'm going to create a second sheet. This sheet is called sheet 2. Then I'm going to create a link on sheet 1. Link to a position on sheet 2. Then right click on the text and then I'll choose link. And here you have the different options. I'll choose a place within the same document. I'll refer to sheet 2. And here you can type a cell reference. For example, A1000. And OK. Then if you click the link, the cursor position moves to cell A1000 on sheet 2. This is the first type of link. Then the second type. The second link I'm going to make is a link to a Word document. Link to a Word document. Then again, right click the text and choose link. If you don't have the document yet, you could create a new document, but you most likely already have the document you want to link to. You can then search for the file in your folders, or if you recently made the file, you can choose the file from the recent files and click OK. And now if I click the link, it will open up a Word with my Word document. It opened up on a different monitor, but I'll drag it here. And here you see the Word document Excel opened up. Let's close Word and create the next link. Instead of using a text as a link, you can also use a picture to use as a link. I'm going to insert an icon, but you can also do this with photos you have on your computer. I'll insert an icon. I'll just choose the first icon I see, insert. Then right click the icon and again choose link. Then if I want to create a link to an email address, I could type an email address here. And if you click OK, you have a link to an email address. Now personally, I'm not really a fan of links to email addresses because they open up the default email program on your computer. And sometimes I want to use Outlook, sometimes I want to use Gmail. Anyway, I'd like to use different email apps on different occasions. And that's why I don't like links to email addresses. Instead of creating a link to an email address, I'm going to create a link to a web page. So I click existing file or web page, and in here I could type a URL. Now let's say I want to create a link to Wikipedia. Then you might think you can type the address like this, wikipedia.com, but this is not a complete address and this will not work. Every URL starts with HTTP or in most cases HTTPS //www. And then wikipedia.com. Click OK. And then if you click the icon, Excel will open up your default browser with the website. It opened up on a different monitor again. And here you see Excel opened up Wikipedia in Chrome. Now let's close it again. Well, as you see, it's pretty easy in Excel to create a link. One warning though, these links are static, which means that if I rename sheet 2, this link won't work. If I rename the Word document or move the Word document to a different folder, these links won't work. Now there's also the option of typing a formula to generate a link, but I'll show you that one in a different video.